United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 8, Internal Waters. 1. Except as provided in Part 4, waters on the landward side of the baseline of the territorial sea form part of the internal waters of the state. 2. Where the establishment of a straight baseline in accordance with the method set forth in Article 7 has the effect of enclosing as internal waters areas which had not previously been considered as such, a right of innocent passage as provided in this convention shall exist in those waters.